Alasdair, as good as gold is presently witnessing a staggering growth in sales, do you believe that the statement made by Morgan Stanley to increase the gold exposure to 20% will allow this growth to continue? And in your opinion, for how long?
I think what's going on is a lot more important than any statement from any individual investment bank. So while it contributes, if you like, to people's view on where gold and silver are going, I don't think that's the main story. The main story is that suddenly people are beginning to wake up to a market which they've missed. And if you look at it from a risk point of view, and you ask yourself, where are the risks in this market? Well, undoubtedly, the performance of Bitcoin tells us that there's risk there. And not only that, but if you look at what's going on with the rare earth thing with China and all the rest of it, there are huge risks in tech stocks. I mean, I know it's not necessarily reflecting it at the moment, but when you get a crisis such as a rare earth crisis, and, the question is, will China back down on this? My suspicion is probably not. Then those tech stocks are extremely vulnerable.
Yes.
And not only that, but over this last weekend, we had a failure in cloud computing with Amazon Web Services closing down because of a data problem in America and taking out enormous numbers of websites around the world. So I think that this sort of, the glamour of tech stocks and AI and all the rest of it, I think that's beginning to, lose their momentum. So where do you go as an investor? Well, you go in the news story. And while most people don't really understand what gold is, what the relationship is with credit, they see a gold price rising and they see a silver price rising, and they think, well, we better have some of that. We've got to allocate our portfolios in that direction. So in that sense, I think Morgan Stanley's statement would help cement that view, but I don't think it's necessary to drive the market forward.